Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are going to be doing another Chanel unboxing. Honestly, at this point, like, I'm not even going to do the whole spiel. You guys know what it is. I love Chanel. I buy a lot of Chanel bags. That's what it is. So the bag that I have to show you guys is actually from 2023. This is my last purchase that was made in 2023 that I did not reveal yet. So we're going to do it now. You guys don't really know, but just trust me when I say that this bag that I'm going to unbox for you guys today haunted my mind for the longest time. Like, I was obsessed and I went to what I felt like was like the deepest ends of the internet to find this. And I am so happy and so obsessed with it. And it is a wish list item. So if you guys want to see what I got from Chanel, which is not in this box, as you guys already know, then please just keep on watching. But wait, you already know what to say. If you're not already subscribed, I almost dropped the box. Explain yourself. I post on Wednesdays and on Sundays at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I feel like you're going to be here when I do. If you like luxury, like handbags, or fashion, you like Chanel, you like unboxings, I feel like that's definitely where you're going to be. So just subscribe if you're not already. And just follow me over on Instagram if you're not already. It's just a K Danger. I post every single day over there. Every day is a real outfit of the day, something else, stories. It's a lot, okay? But with all that out of the way, let's jump into the unboxing. Guys, so I feel like you probably think this is so rando, like this is out of left field. You did not see this coming, but you guys, this bag is so freaking stunning. Let's just start off with the fact that you guys know that one of these vanity cases with the top handle was on my wish list. I actually thought I was going to end up getting one in black, but I did not know that I was going to become obsessed with this bright, like royal purple color. It was like an actual problem. This is what happens with me. Like, I get obsessed with colors more than I get obsessed with bags. I actually saw an influencer who had this in a mini top handle, and I also saw it with the vanity case. And there was also a Dior D-Joy that Morgan Britt Butler has that is in pretty much this exact same color, but in Dior's version, I guess. And pretty much just the purple, this exact like royal shade of purple was like the only thing that was on my mind. I did not care about a solitary other thing. I know that Dior came out with a new purple D-Joy this most recent season. I think it's actually still available. I'll link it in the description box if it is. But that purple is not the same, okay? This purple is like royal purple. The one that came out from Dior this season is more of like a wine colored purple. And it's just not the color I wanted, okay? This is the color I wanted. So I literally just stalked the internet. I did see one of these come into Fashion File, and it was, I believe it was $3,600, which I also am not 100% sure, but I feel like that's over retail. And I almost pulled the trigger. I was gonna pull the trigger, I think like that night after I saw it, and I went back and it was sold out already because apparently this is a hot commodity, okay? And I said, you know what, if I ever see this shit again, I'm not waiting an hour. An hour, I'm not waiting. I'm pulling the trigger. I don't care, because you guys know that's how pre-love sites work. And this is an old season bag. I'm not 100% sure what season it came out in, but I'm gonna put it here so you know. But I feel like it was like 2 years ago, maybe even 3 years ago, like 21 something. I found it on eBay, you guys, eBay. And I am not an eBay shopper. Like, I like to shop pre-loved, but eBay is just not the place for me to do that. Usually, that's not where I usually go, because I don't usually feel very safe purchasing from eBay. I went through PayPal, used my credit card. Like, I had the walls there so that if anything was going to happen, and plus it was eBay authenticity guaranteed, and it did have like returns for, I think it was 30 days, which it did already pass by now. So I felt like I had enough guarantees that it would be okay. So this is the tag that actually came with the bag, and it was like, if you remove this, it's kind of like how Fashion File does it. Can you not focus on me? If you remove this, like, you can't return the bag. There is some wear on this, and I knew that ahead of time, and I really, like, it's so minuscule. You can't even see. There's like very light scratches. There's like one light scratch here. and one right here. One right here and one right here. But they're so light and like minuscule, like you can barely see them. So this is what the interior looks like. You've got your card slots here, which I fully intend on never using. And I guess I could. But the thing is, like, I don't carry anything with me. You guys know this already. So like, I don't really think I'm gonna end up using them. I'll probably just throw my whole card holder in here and just like go out the door. And then you have a lipstick pocket, which I definitely will never use. I never really take makeup or anything like that with me when I leave the house. And then on the bottom, you've got your cute little CC. I'm so obsessed with it. I paid a lot less because I also had like an eBay coupon situation. So I paid a lot less than if I was to get it on Fashion File. So I think this was a win. I feel like this worked out exactly the way it was supposed to, and I feel real good about it. I actually told you guys when I got this purple heart bag that I don't really like purple that much. And that is true. That is accurate. Purple is like usually not my favorite color. But at the moment, it's the only thing I care about. It's purple. I literally have purple nails, like not even on purpose, by the way. So this is the new vanity bag and this is the heart bag. They are definitely close, which is another thing I was worried about. Like this is probably the closest that any of my bags are in color, but I still feel like there are instances where this will look better versus this, or this would look better versus this. I don't know. I'm not like planning on doing anything with either one of these besides keeping them both. So I am really just over the moon. I haven't worn this yet because I wanted to reveal it on my channel first. But now that I have the outfits ready. Like they're in my head and I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go. So I'm so excited to share this with you guys. I kind of intend on primarily wearing it as a top handle. Like that's what I care the most about with this. I feel like it's the perfect size basically to carry as like a little top handle, a little lunchbox, which is what Elver calls it. But it's good to know that it also works crossbody. Here's the little lunch box. It definitely protrudes a little, but it's not as bad as I kind of imagined it. Like that's what made me really nervous about this. I will be cutting this off, by the way, whenever I am not lazy and go get some scissors. I was kind of nervous that this was going to protrude too much and just be like a lot, but I actually think it looks fantastic. And I don't really know why I was such a hater of these bags in the first place, like these types of vanity bags. The zipper is smooth enough that I don't feel like I'm gonna get stuck in the Stop and Shop checkout, and then like go about my life. Like that was easy. You can't lie. This is not like a very trendy shape at the moment. I'm very much aware of that, but I don't really care. I mean, you guys know I don't really like, I just do what I want to do and I really could not care less like what people want, what people think is trendy. And I know that this was trendy maybe like 3 years ago, but I just don't care. And I think it's cute and I think it was the perfect time for me to add it to my collection. And I love like how colorful my bag collection is getting right now. So this was just like the perfect addition for me. And I'm sorry if you don't love it, but I do. And so I can't help you if you don't. But that is my new bag. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did like it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I post every single day over there. And that's all I have to say. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Okay, go. Say bye.
Bye. I have to watch my video tomorrow.